Considering fuel and labor costs, as well as the time sensitivity for applying nutrients and crop protectants, growers want to make fewer passes through the field and reduce costly overlap. The new John Deere Rate Controller 2000 aids in field documentation, map-based prescriptions, and also helps control overlap with improved section control. The decision to add section control can be supported by agronomic, economic, and environmental benefits. And because the new Rate Controller 2000 controls 6 more sections than previous designs, growers are able to further reduce potential overlap for even greater savings. In addition, you can simultaneously apply up to 5 products in multiple forms, liquid and dry, to reduce the number of field passes, lower compaction concerns, and reduce fuel costs. Growers can also control and monitor the spinner or fan RPM for dry applications.
The multiple product feature for us works very well. Right now, of the 9 bars that we run in the fall, 5 of those bars have N-Serve on them. So in the past, we only had a couple of them, but with nitrogen stabilizers, that market growing and growing and growing, and regulations are going to enforce that or force it upon people that aren't doing it today. Being able to run that all off of one screen with one monitor, it just helps get rid of a lot of clutter in the cab.
In keeping with our position as industry leader, the John Deere Rate Controller 2000 offers several industry exclusives. First and foremost, no one else offers both liquid and dry rate control in a single controller. And our ability to simultaneously control up to 5 products is a definite advantage over competitors. Another key advantage is tank fill monitoring. This gives you the ability to track the exact amount of product in your tank for more accurate fills, which reduces wasted chemical and allows for more accurate solution-to-chemical ratios. For greater spraying precision at more productive speeds, the John Deere Rate Controller 2000 is also compatible with 2- and 3-tiered booms. With this John Deere exclusive, the operator can set flow rate thresholds that divert flow from one boom to another without exceeding target pressure. This maintains accurate droplet size for on-label application rates and desired efficacy.
Going from our old technology to the JDRC and the productivity that we saved was not only more efficient, but it was a lot less stressful. If we're just sitting in the field, ready to start, we'd have a good 10-15 minutes setting up our field with the PF3000. With this JDRC, it's just like probably a quarter of the time.
John Deere displays coupled with Rate Controller 2000 will now integrate with many implements such as non-John Deere pull-type sprayers, dry fertilizer spreaders, anhydrous ammonia applicators, and select planters. For added versatility with anhydrous application, the John Deere Rate Controller 2000 is compatible with the AccuFlow HP Plus boost pump. Raven's anhydrous cooler with boost pump allows you to work across a wider application window by maintaining target application rates in colder temperatures. It also allows you to apply at faster speeds and at higher rates beyond 50 gallons per minute. Thanks to universal compatibility with a variety of control valve types, the Rate Controller 2000 can work with implements such as the Blue Jet side dress applicator, fast pull type sprayer, and Top Air, to name a few.
The Rate Controller from John Deere and the whole John Deere system actually simplifies the process for us. In the past, we used Raven 440 systems with PF3000 systems from Ag Leader to handle the variable rate side of it. The nice part with this controller is it handles all of that within one monitor on one screen.
Instead of purchasing 2 separate units for simultaneous liquid and dry control, growers save 26% with the John Deere Rate Controller 2000. No need to invest in additional hardware and supplemental harnessing to rig the system by daisy-chaining units together. Existing users of either of the GreenStar rate controllers can upgrade with a quick and easy drop-in field install kit. To further simplify the exchange, this bundled kit uses the existing harness with a simple adapter. Compared to the previous individual GreenStar rate controllers for liquid and dry, the new John Deere Rate Controller 2000 offers simultaneous control over more products across more sprayer sections. It accommodates 4 additional pressure sensors and a number of other advanced features for enhanced compatibility and greater flexibility. The enhanced user interface is easier for in-field operation with new screen options and also offers additional diagnostic capabilities. The new Setup Wizard procedure helps reduce errors thanks to helpful prompts on the screen. It won't let you overlook any required information, ensuring the correct setup before you go to the field.
The JDRC is very easy to set up. The walkthrough wizard is just phenomenal. I mean, it is absolutely one of the easiest programs you could to get for setting up. It's just so simple.
The new Rate Controller 2000 allows for up to 6 pressure sensors to be installed for multiple product application. Maintaining minimum pressure ensures adequate spray coverage, even when slowing down in the field for rough terrain. Operators can also control sections on demand with a new digital switch box, even when section control isn't active. And there's no need to index from the outside of the boom in. Manually control any section from the user-friendly interface on the run screen. An external switch box is not needed. Ag service providers will be grateful for the ability to control up to 4 direct injection pumps from a single run screen when using a GreenStar 32630. DI pumps help eliminate waste and disposal issues while improving precision. Other benefits include no premixing, tank rinsing, or concerns about cross-contamination. Raven offers an upgrade program to move from Sidekick Pro ISO to the compatible Sidekick Pro ICD pump. Visit ravenhelp.com for more details regarding this upgrade.
It's probably one of our best investments that we've ever implemented on our farm, I guess. Just the time and money saved. You know, we've had this technology since 2009, so that's been a few years we've been using it. You know, I wouldn't be without it now.
Along with easier setup and several industry-exclusive features, the John Deere Rate Controller 2000 offers flexibility in moving the hardware from one piece of equipment to another. This is one more way we're making ownership easier. Looking ahead to model year 2017, the John Deere Rate Controller 2000 will be included as base equipment on the 2510H dry to allow simultaneous liquid and dry application. And for model year 2018, it will also be included as base equipment on the 2510L to provide single product liquid control.
Growers have asked for the ability to control multiple products from a single rate controller. They've also asked for help in managing their multitasking field operations. The new Gen 4 Extended Monitor is ideal for growers who want to customize an in-cab field office to suit specific operational demands and help provide job performance confidence in high-speed, wide swath operations. Some growers will find that integration of machine and precision ag functions allow them to use a single display for their operation. Others may find it a challenge to fit all that important information on one display, especially in certain planting and seeding situations. That's when growers have opted to run 2 separate displays just to have access to more of that critical information at the same time. Because of this, we've now designed a dual screen option to view more run screens. You can get everything you need right at your fingertips. Our Gen 4 Extended Monitor allows you to see 2 active run pages at the same time, one on the integrated display and another on the Gen 4 Extended Monitor. And you still have the ability to rotate through other run pages on that integrated display as you choose. This gives you a better way to control key functions and keep track of the critical information that matters most to you.
For growers who have been using both the 4600 Command Center and the GreenStar 32630 display for more operational versatility, it's now possible to consolidate everything into one processor with 2 available display screens. Depending on the situation, a grower could dedicate one display to the guidance application map and settings, then use the second display to show the planter overview, or put a combination screen together to show machine settings with the guidance application map. That leaves the second display for a full-page view of a planter or an air seeder. The good news is you have options. You have control. You have more critical information within eyesight and at your fingertips, all within easy reach in the cab. That means you can reduce the potential for costly mistakes. You can quickly make adjustments on the go without having to backtrack or redo a pass. And you'll be able to maintain a higher job quality. Mount the second display where you want it. Move it around as you see fit. Put it on the A post, either high or low, or you could add it to the side window bracket. You have all these choices because the cabling provided in the bundle gives you the flexibility to place the monitor where you want. By using a single processor, the potential for mismatched data is eliminated. It also makes setup easier. Configuration is convenient, and there's only one system to update as new software releases become available.
For added peace of mind, the Gen 4 extended monitor can be used as a primary display because it is the exact same component. Please note the Gen 4 extended monitor is only compatible with the 4600 Command Center, not the GreenStar 3 2630. To help you take full advantage of this integrated hardware, we're also bringing you an important software update to provide optimal system performance. Software Update 17.1 expands functionality of the 4600 Command Center to meet more customer needs. First of all, the new hardware components we just discussed, Gen 4 extended monitor and John Deere Rate Controller 2000, are enabled with this software update. What's new with the 4600 Command Center is the ability to handle tank mixes by saving a mix name and components and creating a profile for an implement without a controller and documenting that implement's activity. This 17.1 software update enables several other new features and functionality. For example, a common grower request is to create guidance lines from field boundaries. This release delivers the ability to directly mimic that boundary with additional features expected in the 17.2 release. Also included in the 17.1 software update is the ability to automatically adjust AutoTrac spacing as implement width changes. This means the operator no longer needs to make separate adjustments in the guidance app. Designed for greater value and increased functionality, these new products from John Deere give customers a greater advantage in efficiency and profitability.